Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen orientation on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, so to do it, double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu. Then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to scroll up and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down by swiping up on the screen, find this light bulb icon and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the option called orientation, tap on it, and now we can change the orientation by swiping up and down on the screen, find the one you like. Right now we have the portrait selected, but we can scroll down, select the landscape, tap on it, and as you can see, the orientation changed to landscape. So basically it's gonna be sideways like this. Okay, you can also change the orientation of the screen via the phone app if your smartband is paired with your phone. So let's open the Garmin Connect app. In the app, tap on the icon of our Vivosmart 3 right here. Tap on device settings, select orientation and watch face, and here we have the screen orientation option, and we can select the one we like. And once it's selected, go back, wait until the devices are done syncing, devices rather. If they're not syncing, simply tap on sync now. Now let's wait until it's done syncing. And after it's done, the orientation should change. Didn't change for some reason. Let's go back to orientation and watch face. Change it to this one. Now it's changed. For some reason it didn't save before, so let's go back. Select the watch face, select the orientation, go back. Once it says settings saved successfully, sync the devices, and okay, now it's gonna work probably. And when I wake up the screen, yeah, now it's back to the portrait. Okay, and that's how you change the screen orientation of this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.